Hello guys. First we revise some graph questions. Yeah, later we start geometry. This worksheet in Google Drive. We can check straight lines first. Which is number 4. Number 4. They give you lines, how you find the equations. That's like a number 4. We have lines on how we find the equations. Like this one. You can check y equals 6. It's a horizontal line. So we choose A for y equals 6 because it's a horizontal line. Okay? How about others? Guys, message me. For example, you message me like this. Y equals 6 is A. Y equals 3x. Oh, which one? Y equals 10 minus x. Which one? Y equals half x minus 3. Which one? So message me 3 letters. Message me 3 letters, guys. Have a look, graphs. Message me 3 letters. Guys, message me 3 letters. Yo. Alistair, message me 3 letters. Perfect. Okay. Yo, you can check. You can check. Y equals 3x. Oh. Y equals 3x. Okay. Hey. Good. Yo, y equals 3x. If you check a point, x equals 0, y also 0. So y equals 3x pass through origin. In the whole diagram here, D passes through origin. So we choose D. And the gradient positive. So this one we choose D. Y equals 10 minus x. The gradient is negative. This gradient is -1. Your negative gradient will be C. C is negative gradient going down. So last one will be B. Last one will be B. Like you even know here is around 6. Here's 6 because 6 make the whole thing 0. half times 6 minus 3 equals 0. So this point is 6, 0. So that's number 4. How we find the equation of a straight line. Okay. Now let's check this worksheet in Google Drive. If possible, you can do some questions for revision. Okay, answer just in the back. Curve equation. Any question ask us to do some curve? Okay. Your curve, this one idea really important. It's like the application we checked last week. How you use graph to solve equation. Which graph you need a sketch to solve the equation here? I give you one example. We have graph 4 minus x squared. So in the equation, you leave 4 minus x squared one side. Move other part to the other side. Like here, 3x. Now we have the graph. We have y equals 4 minus x squared here already. The graph has been drawn. The other graph will be y equals 3x. Like one graph for left part, one graph for the right part here. This is question A. You need to do some rearrangement. Rearrange it. You know which graphs. Okay. B. B same as 4 minus x squared. To move to the other side. Still 0. We have the graph for the left part. So the right part, you just need y equals 0. We have the left part graph. Okay. Question C. C is harder. C is harder. You need to make one side 4 minus x squared. Check. Make one side 4 minus x squared. For example, if we work out step by step, negative x plus 7 equals negative x squared. You need 4 minus x squared. So we plus 4, we plus 4. We got one side 4 minus x squared. The other side is negative x plus 11. Based on the analysis we tried for A, for part A, if one graph is this, the other graph just here. So y equals negative x plus 11. That will be the answer for C. C. Answer for C. Answer for B. Answer for A. Like here. Here. D. D. So anyway, we are doing algebra, kind of algebra. Okay. D, if you times by x on both sides, you got 4 minus x squared equals 5x. This side graph given. So the other side, y equals 5x. So that would be the answer for D. This is the idea, like how to use graph to solve equations. Okay. how to use graph to solve equations. This worksheet, the whole worksheet in Google Drive. If possible, you need to check some questions. Too many questions, you can check several. You can check several. Yep, that's like number 12. Okay, graph really important for the future part, like year 12, year 13. Okay. So this is how you use, how to use graph to solve equation. For example, after we have this part, we can try one. We can try one. We have here. Yeah, for example, they ask you solve question A. We have a graph here, 4 minus x squared. From the answer for A we need to sketch y equals 3x. Yeah, and that's the second step. The third step, you find the intersection here and here. After find the intersection, x value because the equation need to solve for x. You can find x could be 1, x could be -4. Okay, after you sketch graph, you find x could be 1, could be -4. You can double check if it's true. You substitute 1 back into the equation. You got 4 minus 3 minus 1 equals 0. Oh, correct. Yeah, -4 similar. That's the steps using graph to solve equation. Okay. Find the intersection. Yeah. Oh, for C, now we check again for C. C, like we need to sketch -x plus 11. -x plus 11. Okay. Instead of this, we need a -x plus 11. Oh, what? Huh? Okay. So from the graph, we know there's no intersection. Okay. So we need to say numbers part C, no solution. If you solve further, no solution. No solution. Because the graph away from each other, no intersection. So no solution. So that's like the idea using graph to solve equations.